in space. It's a lovely day. Mila and Morphle are visiting the farm and are excited to see what is going on. But Bob the farmer has a problem. My chickens are missing. There must be a thief. Mila and Morphle want to help. They'll wait and try to spot the thief. They wait until nighttime. Bob explains that each night a chicken goes missing. Mila has found a great spot for them to hide in. They'll be able to spot whoever is stealing the chickens. It's a fox. They like to chase chickens. Could the fox be the thief? Mila and Morphle quickly chase after the fox, trying to catch it. The fox is really fast. Meanwhile, a dazzling green light shines down from the sky. One of the chickens starts floating and is lifted upwards. Bob notices the flying chicken and gets Mila and Morphle to come back. There's a weird tube thing in the sky. The chicken is being pulled into the spaceship. So that's where the chickens have been going. It's not a tube thing, it's an alien in a UFO. Bob doesn't know what to do and is scared. Mila and Morphle have to help him. Maybe Morphle can use his powers. An alien! How will we get my chickens back? Morphle morphs into a rocket. Mila and Morphle can travel into space now and find the chickens. They find the spaceship on an asteroid. It looks like it's parked outside a space house. An alien is coming out of the house. He is walking straight towards Morphle and Mila. Hello, Earthlings! Would you like some pancakes? Mila and Morphle do like pancakes, but they came here to help Bob. No, thank you. Could you please return the chickens? The alien comes to the farm and explains he only took the chickens for their eggs. Bob is happy to have his chickens back. The alien and Bob agree to trade eggs and pancakes. He doesn't have to steal anymore. Please accept these pancakes as an apology. Everyone is happy now. Mila and Morphle saved the day and got a tasty snack.